Today's teaching is very easy teaching. We're going to continue with the Proverbs. Tusakuendelea na proverb na kinji. Kinji de lelo i bakupe wukulu bakupe le mambo. Bakupe wukulu bakupe le mambo. This means that if you are given eldership, you are given issues, you are given problems, you are given issues to fix. So when you another way we can say, when you are promoted, you're also given responsibility. Promotion brings honor, and the other side also brings responsibilities. You may be excited that you have been promoted, you have more money, I guess, and then the other side, it doesn't come freely. Many people want to be promoted, but they don't want responsibilities. So promotion comes with responsibilities. So when you promoting somebody, you can say bakupe wukulu bakupe le mambo. Another way, you were promoted, you have been given eldership, which you are mukulu, which means you are elevated, and you also have responsibilities that comes with the promotion. So you have to solve issues. Let's explain now. So that's my explanation. When you are promoted, when bakupe wukulu bakupele mambo. In other way, be responsible, be aware that the eldership they gave to you, the promotion you got, it comes with issues, with problems to solve. Bakupe or bakupele. Bakupe means if here the if is not very remarkable. When they say the if is not seen in the, I was thinking that the bakupe means when they give to you. I feel like there is a if they give to you, if they elevate you. Kupa is to give. Kupa na kupe. Na kupe na kupe na kupe, what's the matter? I'm looking for what to give. Okay, na kupe big, we call big, or na kupe crayon, and so on. Kupa is to give. Na kupe. So bakupe means that they gave. If they give you kupa or bakupe means they give to you. There is a bakupe, they give to you. Bukulu is eldership. An elder is called mukulu. The eldership is bukulu. Bakupele, they gave to you. I believe that bakupele, they gave to you, is in the past. Otherwise, the present must be kupa. Na kupe. Bakupele, so they gave to you. Mambo, we say problems, affairs, issues. Mambo are problem, and some people can remember mambo, it means it's problems. I remember a lot of things behind mambo, that's why I'm laughing. Otherwise, mambo are problems. Let's go to verbs. We jump immediately to verbs. Verb kupa, which is the verb to give. Nabakupe, I think it said nabakupe with or nakupe. I'm planning to start letting go, but you understand Nabakupe or nakupe. Nakupe means I give. I give to you. Nakupe, I give to you. I believe personally that the ku is just showing that it's you. Nakupe, I give. I give to you. Nakupe, I give to you. Nakupe, I give to you. Wamupe, logically, wakupe, he gives to you, or wamupe, you give to him. I mix that way, but it doesn't make sense whenever we say wakupe. It doesn't, and that's how I'm trying to put you give to him. Wamupe, you give to him. And then the wa, which is he give to you, it become wakupe. Let's go forward. I think in what I wrote, I changed. I think the third person should be the second person, and the third is wakupe. I guess you understand from my explanations. I'll see if I can change that. Then tuba kupe or tuba mupe means we give to you, or we give to you, or we give to him. Tuba kupe, we give to you. Tuba mupe, we give to him. Muba mupe means you give to him. Aba kupe or aba mupe, or bakupa. Bakupe means they give to you, or you give to him. I went to those two for some reason. That to help the second person really having issues down there. I believe strongly that you don't say wakupe. Wakupe, it become very confusing. It's mostly wamupe. Thus the second person giving to the third, not the second person giving to the second, and that's the way it sounds. So for the sake of teaching, I separate that way. I hope you get the message. As we go forward, I myself discovering how a little bit confusing it is the more I try to teach. And then the verb kupa, again, and the last part where we say bakupe bukudu, bakupele mambo, they gave you issues, they gave you problem. Those who give you eldership, they give you problem. It's not only about the money, but they also give you issues, so you have more responsibility, additional responsibilities. So bakupele, so they gave to you. I believe that bakupele, it is kind of in the you were given. There is a little bit of past there. You were given problems. So I want to present that nakupele. I gave to you. I gave to you problem. Nakupele. You nakupele. I gave to you. Wamupele. She gave. He gave to you. Wakupele. He gave to you. Tukupele or tubakupele, tukupele or tukupele means we gave to you. Mumupele, you gave to him. Bakupele, they gave to you. Wow, I didn't know it can be a little bit difficult the way I guess. Otherwise, that's why it is. I hope you got the message. And let me go repeat it. Nakupele, so I gave to you. Wamupele, so that you gave to him, or you gave to her. Wakupele, he gave to you, or wamupele, she or he gave to him or to her. Tukupele, we gave to you, or tumupele, we gave to him. Mumupele, you gave to him. Bakupele or bamupele, they gave to him or to her. So this is important for you to retain and practice as you can. And we'll see if I can add more stuff here in those verbs. I hope this is clear for you and for whoever is trying to retain those verbs. And let me know, write me if there's something you think you're having hard time retaining those verbs. I feel like they are important to learn, and you learn little by little. Before you know, you have long sentences. I think that's everything prepared today. It's not a very long proverb. Bakupe, bukulu, bakupele, mambo. Very good proverb for leaders who, when they promote somebody, can tell. It said, bakupe, bukulu, bakupele, mambo. I love you, I promote you because you're a hard worker, but you have to know that this responsibility or this position comes with other responsibilities. Your responsibilities, yeah, those are the problem. Which is said, bakupe bukulu, bakupele mambo. So it comes with responsibility, with issues. All right, God bless you. Looking forward to talking to you again. Thank you.